How to verify your age on Roblox. So if you want to verify your age on Roblox, then first make sure that you have an internet connection, and you can either use your Roblox application, or you can also go with your browser. So first you need to open up your Roblox. Now after opening, you need to go with more, which is on the bottom right, and from here you need to just scroll down and then go with settings. Under settings, you can go with your account info, and from the account info you have an option of verify my age. So you just need simply scroll down and then tap on verify my age, and it will take you to the identity verification. Now in order to verify your age, you need to have a valid ID. You can have either your driver's license or your passport or ID card or residence permit. So you can simply select any one of these valid IDs and then tap on start session, which will be with the Roblox third-party service provider. The information collected through this process will be used for the purpose of securing your account and enabling Roblox features. So just prepare a valid ID or have a valid ID and go and start the session and go with the following steps, which will lead to your identity verification, and your account will be verified or your age will be verified. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.